Going to be a Python file of a while loop with a count. Okay, so the count is going to, you can either have it counting up or you have it counting down. I'm going to have it counting down. So I just start off with a variable count and I might make it 10. And then I'm going to have a while loop in here. So this loop is a loop that's going to continue running until something happens. So a while loop is a loop that just keeps going until something breaks the loop. Okay, so I'm going to say while count is greater than 0. So while the count is greater than 0, this loop's going to keep running, right? So let's do print, and in here I could do print. Let's print count. Let's see where we're at with our number. So print count. So this is going to print the count. Now, if I run the program like this right now and just went run, this will just go 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and print the number 10 forever. Right, so the loop is never broken. There's no way to break the loop. So to break that, we need to make something happen. So one of the ways that we could make this happen is we could say count equals itself. So it's going to be, in this situation, count is going to equal count, which means it'll be, count is going to equal 10, and we're going to say minus 1. So in here, the word count represents this variable up here. So we're going to say make this variable be 10 minus 1, which means it'll become 9. And then the next time through the loop, it'll come through and it'll become 8. And the next time through the loop, it'll become 7. And it'll keep going until it gets to 0. And when it gets to 0, this while loop is going to say, wait a minute, you're not greater than 0 anymore, so we're going to end. So I'm just going to write down here, outside of the loop, I'm just going to do print. Let's say the loop ended. The while loop ended. The while loop ended. There we go. So now if I run this program, run module. It's printed count. Because I put it in inverted commas, right? Because I put it in inverted commas, which I shouldn't have. I want to just print the actual count. There we go. Let's do it again. Run module. All right, save it. Right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The while loop ended, okay? So that was interesting that you can make a mistake here by putting the inverted commas in and printed the word count. As soon as I take them out now, it's going to print the variable count, okay? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The while loop is broken because it's gone down through the count until it got to 0, and this condition has now been met, and therefore the while loop is broken. So this is a while loop with a count. Now you could do it the other way around. You could start the while loop at 0, and then you could say 10 here. So while count is less than 10, and then down here you could change this to a plus symbol. Okay. So this time it really should count up. So every time it goes through the loop, it's adding 1 to the count here until it gets to 10, and at 10 it actually shouldn't print the number 10 at all actually. So let's save that and run that. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It doesn't print the number 10 because it says while it's less than 10. So when it gets to 10, it doesn't print it. It just ends the while loop. So that's a while loop with a count.